CNC drilling machine for plates model PD16C/PD30B. This series of machines are used for drilling joint plates of steel structure industry and other plates used for other machinery industry. Stroke self-controlled drilling spindle, rapid feeding, work feed, and rapid withdrawing can be transformed automatically. The spindle is equipped quick tool changing chuck, and drill bits can be changed very expediently. Exchangeable work tables. While the workpiece on one work table is being drilled, the other work table can be moved out to load or unload workpiece. This machine is equipped with centralized lubricating device and automatic chip cleaner. Humanized design interface of host computer software. The machine's all-running situation can be shown on this interface. For CNC drilling machine for plates model PLD 2012/2016, the work feed is driven by servo motor.